In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 simple hacks that you can use to increase your sales revenue by up to 30%. If you're ready to go, let's check it out. Hey guys, this is Julian here, and in this video, I'll be showing you 3 simple steps that you can take to boost your sales revenue by up to 30% without even using any ads. So the common misconception that people have is that if you want to get more sales, you need to spend more on ads. While this is true to some certain extent, there are actually a couple of ways that you can actually do to increase the number of sales internally as well to give you more bang for your buck. So imagine if you're spending, $100 in ads, instead of getting, just $200 in return, you're actually going to get 300, 400, even more, right? And one of the ways that we actually do is by doing an upsell. So this concept has been used by restaurants, has been used by businesses all around the world. And I want to point an example, just like McDonald's. When you go to a McDonald's restaurant, and you may notice that they actually ask you, do you want to have fries with that? So this essentially is an upsell whereby instead of just ordering the original meal that you want, you actually either upsize or you add another fries together with your meal. This gives McDonald's additional revenue, right? So a couple of ways that you can actually do that would be to, number one, right, upsell a product which is complementary to what you originally ordered. So for example, if you have a burger, and another complementary product would be fries, right? Another way of doing it would be to upsize. For example, medium-sized fries, upsize to a large serving fries instead, right? Or instead of doing that, you kind of bundle it together and make it a meal as well. So these are the different ways that you can actually upsell your product. So today I'm going to share with you how you can actually implement what we just talked about in your Shopify store as well. And I want to actually share with you a couple of terms that you will hear people throw a lot about. One of which is AOV, which stands for average order value. So what an average order value is that it tracks the average amount of spend every time a customer places an order. So imagine if your average order value is $50, essentially this means that averagely customers spend about $50 each time they visit your website. So I have a free Google Doc that contains all the links and all the notes to whatever that I just shared today. So if you want access to it, help me by smashing the like button, and once this video hits 100 likes, I will be putting the document in the description. This is one of the apps that I actually found that was really simple to set up, which is called Venga AI Upsell Assistant. And one of the things that I really love about Venga is that Venga is super easy to set up. You just need one click and the setup is done. This is something that a lot of other upsell apps have struggled with, because as new users, oftentimes it can be pretty confusing when it comes to setting up this kind of software. So it does automatic post-purchase upsells and downsells, which means it has an AI feature that will actually recommend upsells or even downsells that are appropriate according to what the buyer has actually purchased. You can actually set it up automatically through their AI, or it actually allows. Let's hop onto my Shopify right now. All right, so I'll put the link to this Venga AI Upsell app in the description as well, so that you can actually get access to it. All you need to do, very simple, click on Add App. And then once you see this, click on Install App. And voila, we are done. Here's a welcome message. Okay, all you need to do is very simple. You need to click on Enable the app. Over here, it will show you some installation guides on how to actually turn it on. Let me show you how to do it. Click on Open Checkout Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Post-Purchase Page. Click on Select App, Venga AI Upsell Assistant, and then click Save. So once it's saved, come back to this page, click on Verify Installation to make sure that you have done the installation correctly. All right, and we are done. It says you have enabled Venga. Fantastic. So now let me show you a special surprise that I actually have for you. If you actually use my invite code, Julian, you actually get $2,000 free credit before even needing to pay any single thing for this app. So I want to help you guys make some money even before paying for this app. So what you need to do is very simple. Click on Apply Invite Code. And under this invite code, so you need to put in my link, which is Julian, Julian, click on apply code, and you will be automatically given $1,000 in upsell credits. So you get $1,000, I get $1,000, that's $2,000. All right. So here's one tip that I can actually give you. Under this set a discount for automatic offers, you can actually give a discount so that whenever there's an upsell, a discount is automatically applied. So I would recommend that you start off with 10%. Just click on save and you're done. All right, so now let's test and see if this works or not. You want to simulate a purchase, click on add to cart. So this is the product I just added to cart. Let's check out. Okay, so now that I have entered my credit card details, I'm just going to click on pay now. So there you go. As you can see, it actually shows an upsell that appears after we have actually made the purchase. So it doesn't interrupt with your normal buying flow. So this only gets shown after the purchase has been completed. So as you can see, it now recommends this smart aroma humidifier for me, and if I am the customer, I can actually choose to actually include this offer. Let's just say I like it, click on pay now, and voila, they actually have a second product right here as well. This one has a $79 Black Friday deal. Let's just try to click on it. All right, and there you go. As you can see, instead of just ordering one product, which is $39.99, the average order value is now $286 because there are actually 2 more additional products being added. So this is how Venga makes it simple for you to actually increase the average order value just like that. So the second way that you can actually increase the average order value would be to implement tipping on your Shopify store. Let me show you how you can implement tipping during the checkout. Let's hop onto my computer. Okay, so first thing, you want to go to settings, head over to checkout, and scroll all the way to the bottom until it says tipping. So make sure that you check mark this one because tipping has been shown to increase the average order value just like that. So I would recommend that you just leave it as the default 5, 10, and 15%. Let me show you how tipping works. So as you can see, I've entered my details, and if you have enabled tipping, it would say add tip right here, and you can see that there are actually the number of options that your customers can actually choose, 5, 10, or 15%. So if they just add in, for example, this one right here, there's an additional $2 being added to your average order value. So the third strategy that I have for you is to include extended warranty. And companies like Apple have an extended warranty that people pay a lot of money for as well for their product. If you're selling an electronic product, an extended warranty will work the best. So let me show you how to implement an extended warranty on your Shopify store. So what you want to do is go to settings, click on shipping and delivery, and under shipping right here, you want to click on manage rates. Okay, so once you're at this page, you want to scroll all the way down, and you can see right here, this is where your shipping settings can be set. All you want to do is that if you have not set up this before, click on add rate, and you want to fill out all these details. Now I've set it before already, so I'm going to show you what my current settings are. As you can see, I'm actually using first class track shipping. This is considered my express shipping and insurance. So you can either use the term insurance or extended warranty, that's up to you. And you can see the price that I actually charge for this would be $6.45. I have another option which is track shipping, right? And this is at $4.95. So the strategy is very simple. If you notice, the first class track shipping plus insurance is just almost $1 or so more. And when someone sees this, it's pretty much a no-brainer just to include the insurance together with it because it's not that much more expensive. And as for you, you get a little bit more in terms of the average order value as well. So that's it, guys. If this was useful, remember to subscribe, like, and share so that more content like this can be posted out. And I do share a lot of other e-commerce content as well. I've been focusing a lot on TikTok. If you want to know more, right, check out some of the links that I have. I have a free course that I want to give out as well. Check out the link in the description. And yeah, I also want to give you access to the Venga app. I'm going to give you some free credits. So if you want to access that, again, links are going to be in the description. I hope that this has been helpful for you. Check out my other videos where I talk about e-commerce and how you can start growing your e-commerce business. In this video, you will be learning my 6-figure product research strategy that I'm using for this Black Friday 2021. Check it out.